G'day guys, it's Matthew here from Appliance Testing Supplies. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Metrel Alpha EE kit. So this system is provided in a heavy-duty transit case. Once inside, we have a look. We have the Metrel Alpha EE tester. Now this guy here is the top of the range. It has a color touchscreen, it's Bluetooth and downloadable. Now also in the kit we have the thermal printer. Now this is for you to print your test tags. It prints QR codes. Has a belt clip for easy maneuverability. It is also provided with a charging unit as well, AC/DC adapter. Now also important, the system does come with a Bluetooth scanner. This is a 2D Bluetooth scanner. This too is also provided with a charging port, charging cable. We also have two IEC leads. Now one is to power the tester, charges the lithium-ion batteries, and this one's for testing extension leads, power boards, UPSs and the like. We also have a download USB lead, this guy here, USB A to B. And lastly, within the kit, we have the 4mm test leads. Now we have an interchangeable crocodile clip, a probe, and the standard lead to plug into your tester. Now also, please note there is some manuals, instructions, calibration certificate and details on the inside of the kits behind the foam lid. All right, thank you very much guys. If you have any questions, please reach out to the team. We'll speak to you next time.